Hi, Catherine. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We are going to go over Iep goal number 1, but today we are going to be working on Iep goal number 1 and number 2. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So, we're going to go ahead and review. So, Catherine, a telephone is to call people. What is a telephone for? Call people. What is a shopping cart for? To put groceries inside. Yes. A soap is to wash your hands and your body. The camera is to take pictures. A lawnmower is to cut the grass. The key is to open the door. A rake is to pick up leaves. So, last time we did this worksheet. Now I want you to do this one. It says identify the object. So it says the camera. What is the camera for, Catherine? Is it to take pictures or is it to cook a barbecue? Correct. Now, what is the lawnmower for? Is it to drive or is it to cut the grass? Yes, great job. So, we are only going to do those two for today, and then you're going to send a picture for a grade. Now, if you keep going down, you'll find goal number 2. So, goal number 2, last time we did the counting game. So now we are going to go to our next worksheet, and it's the same thing. So we're going to count. Can we review what this is? What symbol is this? This is a plus. And what symbol is this? Equals, which means the same. So when you put plus, that means you're going to add. Now when you see this line, it means subtract. That means you're going to take away, minus. So you're going to count the circles plus the other circles equals all together, and then your answer. Then here, we're going to add all the circles, write our number, minus however many circles we have here, equals, and then your total. We don't say all together because minus means to take away. So for example, here we have, let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are going to write the number 7 here. Do you remember what number 7 looks like? So if you do not remember what number 7 looks like, it looks something like, or can you find number 7? Yes, right here. So number 7, and I'm sure you hear the music, so I try to make it a little bit more fun. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to write number 6. So now you have 7, and now you have 6. Remember, the line means to subtract. So you're going to say minus. So you're going to say 7 minus 6 equals, so quick question, 7 minus 6, so that means we are taking 6 dots from this box. So if we take 6 dots away from this box, how many do we have now? So now let me show you. So this is what you have in your worksheet. So Catherine, pay attention. So this is what you have. You have 7 circles, correct? And then you have minus 6 circles. So this is what your paper looks like right now. So that's what it should look like right now. But 7 minus 6 equals, so we're going to take away 7 minus 6 means minus 6. That means we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we take away 6 circles. Now we have, how many do we have left? 1. So your answer is 1. And you're only going to do that to the one that has this symbol, okay? So, if you have any questions or need any help, please let me know and I will help you. So take a picture of this and then we'll submit it for a grade. Now, let's go to Iep goal number 3. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It'll stop right there. Sorry. So Iep goal number 3 will be for Friday. So we'll go ahead and just record it onto this same video. But you don't have to do this one until tomorrow, which is Friday. Now, let's go ahead and go to this worksheet. So we're going to do the sequence. So remember, Catherine, what comes first, what comes second, and then what comes third. So, for example, today I woke up, then I brushed my teeth, and then I ate breakfast. So what did I do first? First, I woke up. Second, brush teeth. Third, eat breakfast. So, right here, let's go ahead and read a little story. So, Tom and Sam went to the beach. They made a castle. Then, when they were finished, they were happy. So, what happened first? So, Tom and Sam went to the beach. They made a castle. Then they were happy. So, what happened first? What did they do first? First, they did what? First, they went to the beach. Second, they made a castle. Third, they were happy. So, what happened first, Catherine? Went to the beach. Then they made a castle. Then they were happy. Can you write the order? When you're done, take a picture and submit it for a grade. Great job, Catherine. So let's go ahead and go over to Iep goal number 4. So in this Iep goal number 4, Catherine, you are going to practice personal space. You do not touch. You do not say not pretty nails, pink nails, blue nails. You don't say I like your hair. I mean, you can say it, but you don't touch. You keep your hands to yourself. So, I had to watch this video last time, so now we're going to watch this video. So, personal space means we do not touch others. We just look, we make eye contact, and we do not get really close to somebody's face. We do not touch braces. Touch braces, no. Touch nails, no. Touch hair, no. We keep personal space. So if you can go ahead and practice that, and when you're done, you are good for the day. So thank you so much, and have a great weekend.